Hi friends, I am Shiva. Welcome to Shiv Techno channel. Today we are going to see the overlay of Photoshop. So first open the Photoshop. After opening the Photoshop, the blank area is available on the screen. This is the area where we can work. Then there are many specifications in Photoshop. Example: title bar, toolbar, menu bar, layers, and etc. Menu bar shows several menus under each section. For example, File, Edit, Image, Layer, and etc. This menu bar setup is quite similar to the MS Word. So we can see the new command. New is the command which is used to create a new template. Second one is open. Open is the command which is used for open the already existed template. We can import, save and quit the workbench by clicking the file menu. The next menu bar is edit. In this option, there are several options under available like cut, copy, paste, undo, redo and find and replace option. The next one is image option. Here mode, adjustment, duplicate, calculation and etc. This duplicate option is used to create the duplicate of the image. And here we can see the image size and we can rotate the image with certain degrees. This one is called the layer option. We can see the layer box in left side. This layer menu and the layer box which is available in the right side, both are same. In this layer option, we can delete the layer and we can create a duplicate layer, and we can change the size of the layer, font size, style, and we can group and ungroup the layer. We can see the select, filter, view and window options laterwards. This is the outer lane of the toolbar. Here we can see the first tool. This first tools is used for selection tools, and then these 8 tools are used for editing tool, and then 4 tools is for formatting and typing tool, and the last 4 is for extra tool. Here we can see these both colors. This one is the foremost color, this one is the background color. These two columns represents the extra tool which is available in its corresponding sections. For example, these 4 tools which is available under the rectangle mark tool, it will suit for all the tool where with the tool having these icons.